Hi everyone! Today I'm here the Google Pixel 3 unboxing. Let's open it up.
How'd you do that?
I watched another unboxing video.
Where'd you throw it?
Okay. Here's the phone. Green button.
Show the white.
What version did you get?
What version?
You got the clearly white.
Yeah. Ooh. Fresh from China. How you turn it on?
Hold the power button. There's a... Oh.
iPhone 10. What new things do I get? Useless. Useless. Charging cable. Need. Charging brick. Need. My bad. Alright, let me set up my phone. Skip. Here, can you log on? Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Huh? Oh, you want to see? Here are the headphones that comes with it.
Someone's got it.
Headphones. Instruction manual.
Dongles.
Dongles?
Dongles.
Oh, there's sticky stuff on the back. Nice packaging though.
Compare it to the black one.
Oh yeah, give me the black one. Produce the black one.
Let's not.
I don't remember my password. I don't know what my password is. I need this for my password. How does it compare to my iPhone 10? It's definitely skinnier, right? Did I just share my email address with everyone?
Yes.
How's it look? Pretty cool. No edge to edge. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.